1. Run. Run. I run every morning. 2. Jump. Jump. The cat jumped over the wall. 3. Walk. Walk. I walk to school every day. 4. Eat. Eat. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. 5. Drink. Drink. She drinks water often. 6. Read. Read. I read a storybook at night. 7. Write. Write. She writes very neatly. 8. Speak. Speak. They speak English fluently. 9. Listen. Listen. Please listen carefully. 10. Sing. Sing. She sings beautifully. 11. Dance. Dance. They dance in the party. 12. Cook. Cook. My mother cooks tasty food. 13. Clean. Clean. I clean my room on Sunday. 14. Wash. Wash. He washes his clothes. 15. Drive. Drive. My father drives a car. 16. Fly. Fly. Birds fly in the sky. 17. Make. Make. I make paper crafts. 18. Open. Open. Open the door, please. 19. Close. Close. Close the window slowly. 20. Catch. Catch. I catch the ball quickly. 21. Throw. Throw. He throws the ball far. 22. Kick. Kick. The boy kicks the football. 23. Hold. Hold. Hold my hand tightly. 24. Laugh. Laugh. They laugh loudly. 25. Cry. Cry. The baby cries loudly. 26. Smile. Smile. She smiles sweetly. 27. Sleep. Sleep. I sleep early at night. 28. Wake. Wake. Wake up at 6 a.m. 29. Paint. Paint. He paints a picture. 30. Play. Play. Children play in the park.
लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, सपोर्ट करें.